Good morning and welcome to Taft College. I will be your professor this summer. My name is Wendy Berry, and what we'll be doing is the Fundamentals of Biology class. And the first thing that I want to share with you is how to log into the Moodle site. So what you'll need to do is go to tc-moodle.taftcollege.edu, and it's probably a good idea to go ahead and bookmark this web address. So if you just add it to your bookmarks, name it Taft College Moodle site or whatever it is that'll make it easy for you to remember, then it's easy to access it in the future. What you'll need to do next, if this is your first time using Moodle, is you'll have to create a new account. When you create a new account, it will prompt you through a series of questions that you'll need to fill in. Please be sure that you actually keep track of what your username and password is, because I'm unable to retrieve this for you if you forget what it is. So use your iPhones, write it down on a notepad, put it somewhere safe so that you can recall it, because you'll be using this through the entire course. Once you have this set up, what you'll do is you'll come to the original website. You'll go ahead and put your username and password in. As you see that mine's already there, and you'll go ahead and log in. Once you log in, you can scroll down to the summer 2014 courses that are offered through Moodle, and you'll see that your course is here on top, Berry Bio 1500 Fundamentals of Biology. Go ahead and click on that, and because I'm not a first-time user, it automatically shows up. What you will need to do is go ahead and put in the enrollment code. I've already emailed you the syllabus. The enrollment code is on your syllabus in case you forget. It's BIOL 1500. Once you plug that in, it will go ahead and allow you to enroll in the course, and this is what you'll see following that enrollment. This is a very, very important site because I will be teaching from this site the entire summer session. As you can see, there is some course information. Your syllabus can be downloaded. You have a class project that you will be doing. This class project is a PowerPoint presentation. A PowerPoint presentation on a topic of your choice that is relevant to the course, and I'll talk to you more about that later. But I have all of my PowerPoint presentations available for you. There are chapter student learning objectives. These are objectives that you can preview before you go into the PowerPoint presentations, but it's more of a guideline really. If you can answer these objectives following your own review and studies within each chapter, then you're pretty well set for the exams. Okay. Also, there is chapter vocabulary. The chapter vocabulary, these are quizzes that you can take as many times as you need to in order for you to get the perfect score. So please be sure that you understand that you want to get the 3 out of 3. So take it multiple times, but also while you're taking it, the objective is to learn what the vocabulary is, because we all know in science vocabulary is very challenging. We kind of speak our own language, if you will. And then the chapter PowerPoints. These chapter PowerPoints provide you with almost all the information that you're going to need to be successful in this class. However, it is very important that you do read your textbooks. Textbooks are resources out there for you, so it supplements what you're getting from the PowerPoint presentations. So I have for every chapter, student learning objectives, the vocabulary, and a PowerPoint presentation. You'll also notice down at the bottom of each exam, there's an exam review worksheet that you can complete. Now this is a Word document that you can download. So once you click on that, you can see that it's a series of questions. And if you go through this and you successfully answer them, or even if you have questions on these review questions, email me, and you study this, then the exam is going to be a piece of cake. Okay? Also, I have put a series of videos up here, videos that I have not myself produced, but videos that I researched on YouTube, and I thought, man, this might be helpful for the students to preview following a particular topic. So this is another helpful resource. And then there's the exam, which I will only make available at a certain time throughout the course. Another tool that you can see here on Moodle is that there's some latest news if I want to add a topic there for discussion. We are going to be discussing a lot of things, and discussion is a very important part of your grade. So you're going to want to make sure that you participate here. You can go straight to quizzes if you want to and look up different quizzes. I can host some forums where you can communicate with each other and with myself. If there are upcoming events, I will put those over here in this area. And if you want to discuss a topic with a particular individual that you find is contributing a lot to discussion, and maybe you want to build a relationship with that person to facilitate a better learning environment, then you can actually go to the participants in the class and hold a private conversation there. So this is Moodle, and if you have any questions, please feel free to let me know.